Click on Ellipse tool. Hold Ctrl and draw a circle of size 100 millimeters. Create a copy, press plus from keyboard to create a copy. Change the size to 50 millimeters. Select Freehand tool and draw a straight line from center. Place the pivot point at the center and rotate to 7.5 degrees. Hold Ctrl and rotate to 15 degrees. Press right-click to create a copy. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Select Shape tool and delete this node. Select this node and go to Window, Dockers, Fillet or Corners. Enter corner value about 7.7 millimeters. Click on Apply. Delete this node using Shape tool. Select this node and move it on top. Now you delete this middle node. Use this handle to edit shape, or you can keep it like that itself. Delete these lines. Fill color using Interactive Fill tool. Move it slowly by holding Ctrl in a lower direction, then press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl-R twice to repeat. Select these copies and remove fill. Slightly increase the width, about 0.2 to 0.3 millimeters, or else you'll get problems while using Smart Fill. Fill color using Smart Fill. Now you delete these objects. Fill color using Interactive Fill tool. Copy, paste same color, drag and drop with a right click. Click on option Copy Fill here. Select these objects. Ctrl-G to group. Place the pivot point at the center. Hold Ctrl and rotate to 15 degrees. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl-R to repeat objects. Delete the outer circle. Select the inner circle. Hold Shift and decrease size. Press right-click to create a copy. Ctrl-R once to repeat. I created an extra copy. Select that inner copy. Hold Shift and select outer one. Click on Trim. Fill color using Interactive Fill tool. Same way. Trim these objects and fill color. Fill color to this circle. Select all, group, remove outline. Right-click on cross mark on color palette to remove outline. Draw a rectangle. Press Ctrl-Q to convert to curves. Select the left node using Shape tool and click on Add Node. Node is created in the middle of these nodes. Select this node using Shape tool and drag upwards. Fill color to this object. Draw a small rectangle and fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete that rectangle. Change color of this object. Draw a line from center. Select this line. Hold Shift and select the yellow object. Hold Ctrl and rotate from left to right. Press right-click to create a copy. Delete these lines. Select all, group. Remove outline. Rotate this object. Hold Ctrl and rotate from left to right. Press right-click to create a copy. Overlap and click on Group. Select this group, hold Shift and select Batch. Press C to align centers vertically. Press Shift page down to send it back. Move upwards using top arrow key. Select all, group,